Alright, the console stereo is ready to be reassembled, but first things first, gotta put some shelves up to put the external speakers that did come with the unit. I did get some, they get 2 external speakers. They were 2 channel, so 2 speaker, whatever, set up 6x9s, I believe they are. But the one with the, you'll see it eventually. I think this one is the one that's been replaced. And then the other one has a white dial that has has the original speakers and the original rheostat. But they both work very well. So I had to put them on volume 10 because they are so muted. The resistance is just so high whenever you do, because you got 10 ohms or whatever for the internal speakers each side, and then these ones are 8 ohms a piece, and I don't believe they're wired in parallel or series. So there we go. First speaker's installed. Wife came through the shot. Next shot, we're going to go ahead and install the other shelf. Alright, so we're lining everything up. This is where I want to put everything. You'll see me screw up. I drilled into one of my alignment holes. One of the level holes. So here we're putting everything in and looking at, oh wait, damn it. Yeah. Re-drill another hole. It covered the floating shelf, covers it up anyways, but like I was saying before, the speaker on the right hand side, that is the black knob that was replaced. That rheostat and the internal speakers to that actual channel there is been replaced a few years back. It's got aftermarket, not even Magnavox speakers in there. They're just regular Walmart brand, I think. But we're almost done with this guy. We're going to put the other one on, which is all original. We will be putting some other cable hider things on there. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we're installing the main guts. Relatively easy job. I mean, you got 2 bolts in the bottom. We got 2 bolts at the top. Well, there are bolts at the bottom, lag screw, hex head lag screws. And at the top, you have basically sheet metal / wood Phillips head screws to hold it in. Everything else is relatively simple. I do move the camera here in a second. We're not going to make any edits to this video because that's kind of silly. We're hooking all the wires up. We just hooked up not CD changer, sorry, LP changer, power. I did take a lot of pictures, make sure I have everything hooked up in the right place for the right channels. We're working on, I think, FM radio. No, we haven't hooked up the FM radio yet. Here we're hooking up the phonograph, and then we will be moving on from that, hooking up the the FM antenna. And next scene, you're gonna go ahead and see me put the knobs back on. I don't remember where they went, but I just went with the ones that had the function switches, so that's why I put the arrows on. Here's the other 2 screws that go in, Phillips head with the direct decorative washer. Let's go ahead and get testing. Alright, power it on. Alright, well, I thought I had a blown right hand channel. Woofer and tweeter, Superdome tweeter. I don't. It just sounds different because you're standing above it. So when you're standing away from everything, it sounds great. Here we go. Let's go ahead and test the phonograph. Make sure the LP player or LP is working. So let's go ahead and test that. Alright. We can try one more thing. Let's see what this works. Okay, come on. Yay! The LP does work. So yeah, so we don't want to get a copyright strike, so we're going to head and talk over it, but LP does work. I'm surprised it works. It was not working before. I'm not sure if it needs the actual changer power to go out, the LP changer power to go out before that auxiliary / phono input would actually work. But it was working on my quote-unquote test bench, which is this chair. So we're done with it. We don't have to worry about replacing those capacitors, and we can go ahead and end this video, end this series. It's only 4 videos, but hope you enjoyed. We'll show you the final result in the next picture. Alright guys, take care. Bye.